Sha-na-na-na-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na.
Hey everybody, good morning. I am traveling light, no backpack, just carrying the camera with me today. So we are going to take a look at Nijo, what is it pronounced again? Nijo Castle. That's where we're heading today, Nijo Castle. Walking up to the castle, you might think it looks awesome, and then you realize it's just the guard tower. We are in the late morning hours, so we are definitely outside my normal photography time. This episode is more about taking it all in. I'm just out here doing what I love to do, explore. Oh, too late, the buses are here, big time. As with all tourist sites, you want to get here early. So we just got out of the interior of the palace, and it's marked for no photography. So of course respect that when they have those signs up, but they also have people in there to make sure you don't do photography. A lot of the stuff in there would make really cool background images, but again, it's just not something that's permitted. So we're going to be doing mostly architectural photography outside today. A lot of the structures here are very simplistic in their design, so think minimalism while you're here. Well, not being able to capture images inside the palace was a disappointment. That doesn't mean that this day was a complete waste. Before we continue around the grounds, I would like to thank all of my supporters, including Pike the Mike, Patel's Tube, and Pixelal Union. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel and drop me a comment about your favorite places to photograph. As we enter the inner fortifications of the castle, we are met with more disappointment. Fortunately, it's under restoration. You cannot see any part of it from the outside. Yeah, the entire structure is completely surrounded from us. Well, let's see the view from one of the guard towers. At least we can enjoy some of the fall colors on this beautiful day. The grounds of the castle are expansive, but the rapidly rising sun is creating harsh light. There are many other smaller structures around the grounds that would be a lot more interesting if the autumn colors were stronger and the sunlight was not so much. So what we have here is some nice light and shadow with some ginkgo tree leaves that are down on the ground, and also some still hanging up in the air. And the cool part is the sunlight's passing through them, which is one of my favorite ways for shooting leaves. So we're going to have a background of one of the gates on one of the buildings here at the castle, and then I'm going to be shooting down with my zoom lens onto the ground. So we'll have some of the ginkgo leaves in focus and ones trailing off in the distance blurred out. Good thing there's a farmer's market on the castle grounds this morning. Alright guys, so coming out of the castle here is kind of like a farmer's market. So of course we sampled and picked up a little bit of the local sake. And then, so trying a little bit of a grape treat here. Oops, here we go. Squishy. So it's almost like a powdery jelly. Pretty good though, but it's like a powdery jelly. Very sweet. So just went back and got plum and lime as well, because those little candies are really good. Guys, I'm going to end the episode here from Nijo Castle. Thank you again for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more of the future episodes here from Japan. And of course, consider adopting a shelter animal or donating to your local animal shelter. I'll catch y'all next time.